Hey everyone, in this video we're talking about one of the rules associated with simplifying an algebraic equation expression that has variables in it, and the first rule we're going to talk about is the product rule. And the product rule you'll see when you have two variables that are two in exponents being multiplied together. If you had something like y squared times y to the sixth. Y and y are the same variable, they're being multiplied, and each of them has an exponent. So all you need to do is say that that's the same variable, and you look at the exponents and add them. So this would be the same as y to the power of 2 plus 6 will be equal to 8. So I can sort of prove this to you. Let's say we had 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 1. That's equivalent to 5 times 5, which we all know is 25. We can use some product rules because that's the 5, they're the same number. Add the exponents. 1 plus 1 will be equal to 2. And isn't 5 squared exactly the same as 25? So this rule, it works with variables, and it also works with numbers. So let's say you had x cubed times x to the 1 over 2. That would be x excuse me, to the 3 plus 1 over 2. A lot of students that I've worked with, this is the tricky part for them. You have a fraction being added onto a whole number and they don't know what to do. All you need to do is think of 3 as 3 over 1 and plus 1 over 2. You need to have the same number on the bottom in both these fractions. We've got a 2 over here and a 1 over here. So you'll want to multiply this fraction, top and bottom, by 2. And you'll get x to the 2 times 3 is 6, over 2 times 1 is 2. And then we can add them. The denominator stays the same. X plus 1 will be 7. So x cubed times x to the power of a half would actually be x to the power of 7 over 2. Let's do another example. Let's say we had y squared times y cubed times y to the 6th over x squared times x to the 5. This would be y to the 2 plus 3 plus 6 over x to the 2 plus 5. 2 plus 3 will be 5, plus 6 would be 11, over x to the 2 plus 5 will be 7. So we would get y to the power of 11 over x to the power of 7.